We found an app for our phone in the Play Store called Radio Garden. Said it has over 55,000 radio stations on it. We downloaded it and we'll show you how to use it on your phone, okay? Alright, we downloaded the app here called Radio Garden. Now, some of the stations are actual radio stations in various cities and all, okay? Some of them are websites that play music, but you can go all over the world. They're in all different languages. We'll show you how to use it. It has a map that revolves. You can move it around and find different cities, and it'll tell you how many stations are in that city. You center on one of them, it'll start playing, and we'll show you how to use it, okay? Alright, where is that app? Right there it is. Loading. See, it says loading up. There's your map of, I'm in the United States and maybe Canada right now, but we'll show you how to use that map in a minute. Let's go to the settings. Let's see. Radio Garden, tell you all about it right there. That's kind of noisy, isn't it? We'll turn that off for now. Stop button there. Okay, submit a radio station. If you have a station that you'd like to see up here, submit it to them. They'll see if they can get it up here. Contact. This is how you contact them right there, okay? Don't know why you need to contact them. They don't have any technical support, so nothing they can help you with. Of course, there's nothing really to do here except go find stations. Search. You can type in a city and a state and a country, whatever. Like I said, Dallas right there. Shows me some of the stations in Dallas. Okay. See that little green heart there? That puts it in your favorites. I'll show you how to use that in a minute. Okay, independent schools. You can find schools have radio stations. Sound, independent sound, different kind of sound you want. Rare tongues, so that's in different languages. If you'd like to find something there, there's probably some in every language on here. A lot of radio stations. They said 55,000, but I think that might be a little bit low. More playlist. Alright, there's your map. Alright, see how you shrink it down with 2 fingers like you do on your pictures and stuff? Go over, there's South America. There's Africa. There's Europe. Look at all them green dots are radio stations, okay? Ooh, kind of loud a little bit there, isn't it? Expand it like you do your pictures with your phone, 2 fingers. Center over one, it'll center it. It'll turn it white and start playing it. That was a good little station, wasn't it? There's another one. See how it turns it white and it centers up in that circle? Volgata. That's foreign language. I don't understand what he's saying, so somebody might. Look at all these stations. Man, there's a lot of them. This one's in France, I think. See right there, it shows you the name of the city, the name of the country, and to the left of the city tells you how many radio stations are in that city. Hope we don't run into any copyright problems, just showing you how this thing works. Africa. Bakar. 1 radio station. It has a, right there, it has a play and a stop button, okay? Radio Bakar. So you click on it, it tells you a little bit about it. That heart up there is your putting it into your favorites, okay? If you want to do that, click on. See, I turn green. When I go to my favorites, it'll be there. There's a button down there that says favorites. See there? Right up there at the top was the one I just put in. Click on it. If you want to take it out, push that star again, it'll take it out. See there? Whoops. Get back in here. Don't know what he's saying, but okay. Picks from the area. Turn that off. That's some of my favorites. I kind of like the heavy metal and stuff like that, so y'all may not like all these. I like heavy metal and classic rock. My wife likes country, so there'll be one or two country on here. One of my stations. See it? Metal Rock FM. That's actually a radio station. Okay. Some of these are actually websites that play music, so pick another one here. Heavy metal. Okay. If you want to go back to Explore, you can hit that Explore button. See there? That's in Dallas it was. Okay. See how you shrink it down? If you put your finger on it and move it around, let's go see what's down here. Where are we? Bonita Oriental? Whatever. I'm not good with some of these names. Move around, find more. Catacombas. Sounds like Spanish, doesn't it? Bunch of little islands over here. Bridgetown, okay, that's where we are, a little island there. Let's see if we can pick another one here. There's another one. See how it centers up for you? Satisfaction is guaranteed. Put your big circle over the dot and it'll center it up for you. Alright. Well, that's how you use this thing. It's very interesting. I play it a lot, especially in the car, because I can pick up stuff like that traveling around in the car, okay? All it has to be is on your phone. I think it's time to go back to the phone now. It's download. It's free in the Play Store. Go get it. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also, check out the description below, and we will see you next time.